Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Midjourney. So you have to just go to Google, search for Midjourney, and you will get this website of Midjourney, as well as at the same time you will get the Discord link of Midjourney. So let's just go and click on our Midjourney here. Now as you can see here right now, earlier when you used to go to Midjourney, we will used to get redirected to the Discord, and in that way we used to give the prompts to create our AI image, right? But now in the latest version, Midjourney have own database, and right now we have to just go and click on sign up. So you can sign up with the Discord, or we can just sign up with our Google ID. So I will use my Google ID, right? So it just take a few seconds of your time to get into it. If you're using a Midjourney for a very long time period, definitely you can just go with your Discord. So right now we are inside Midjourney, and this is how it's look. And by the way, you can just create image for free, right? As you can see here, I can just create 5 to 10 images for completely free. On the left side, you will get a lot of option. For this is a explore section, so these are the images which is got created by other people, and of course you can just see that how Midjourney works and everything, right? So this is a top day, and this is a random. So if I just go to random, photos will come up on my screen and I can just view it, right? Same way, this is a hot sections, of course the trending one, same way top day, and the photos which got most like will be appear here, right? So let's create our own image. You can just go and click on create, otherwise you can just go and look for here. So let's just go and click on create. So once we go and click on create, of course we will see a tutorial video given by Midjourney. We can just watch this, right? So it's exactly same what I'm going to show you. So here let's say that I accept the terms and conditions, and I will just go and create an image. So I'll just create an image cat under water, right? I will just also right here make realistic, right? And Unreal Engine 4K, right? So let's say that how it create. Of course it's just taking a little bit of time, so you have to wait here. Oh, so it's look really cool. So our images has been created, and this is our prompt, and this is V61. So this is a new model given by the Midjourney. If you don't know what is a model or this what's a version, so if the number increases, of course, it's a new version of Midjourney. In simpler terms, more better images will be created. So as you can see here, it's very realistic, right? So I can just go and click on it. Sometimes it's take a little bit of time to open it up. As you can see here, it's not in good quality, so you have to just wait for a few seconds so that it can just get into a good quality. As you can see here, it's loading. Okay, so let's open this image. It's look really good, and this is imagine section. I can just download this. So for example, I can just go and click on download section, and the image has been downloaded, and it's look realistic, really cool, right? That was my prompt. My prompt was to make a very realistic image of the cat underwater, right? So this is really cool. You can just go and create action. For example, if I just go and take my mouse here, you can see this is very subtle. And for example, I can just go and click on if I like this image, right? For example, this one. So I will just go and click on very strong, and it will just make a full new version of the same image. And as you can see here, once I click on very strong, here I got very realistic similar kind of images. And for example, if I want to just go and very subtle, so it will just also create a full new version, but it will be a little bit similar, not exactly too much inspiration it will take from single image, right? So I hope you understood what that means, very strong and very subtle, right? And you can always download it up. You can always change the variation. For example, if you want to go and upscale here, you can upscale, so it will increase the quality. For example, I want to upscale in a creative way, right? So as you can see here, it's got here a little bit of more images got created. Same way in the, if you just go to the more section, so here it says that run the same prompt again, right? So you can just edit this some specific part of this editor. So for example, I just go and click on editor here, and I just don't want the ear fangs of this cat, and I want something new, right? So I can just go and click on edit prompt here. So I will just write here rabbit ears, right? And I will just go and click on submit, right? It's got submitted here, And the best thing is that you can always increase the image part. For example, I just want a little bit a bigger image, so I can always increase here. I can just put it in the middle, and I want the mid journey to create, a side part of this image, right? So this is how you can just go up, and this is a scale part here, right? And you can see in the background it has created a similar image. As you can see here on this section, I wrote I want the rabbit fangs, and they have created a rabbit fangs here, right? So it's look realistic, and in the same time I give another prompt that I want a bigger image, so they have created a bigger image of my journey, right? So it's look really cool, it's look very realistic. At the same time, I can just create up to 3 more images. I was only allowed to create only 10 free images, right? So it's up to you, you can just buy the subscription. And if I just go and click on organize, I can just go and create a new folder where I can just put a different kind of generated image in a one folder, so it can be a little bit more organized. This is a chat section, so if I just go to the chat section here, it is still in the beta version, as you can see here, but still you can just go and see that what other people use their prompts to create this kind of image. For example, for this kind of image, dark color design in gothic Christmas style, right? Same way you can see the other people prompts, and you can copy that prompt, and you can just change a little bit in your way, and you can just create these images, right? And this is a general chaos. Same way you can just explore as more as you want. Same thing, daily theme and everything. This is a task section, so you can just go and rank images, you can like their images, you can do the survey. And this is a subscription part, so you can buy the subscription of Midjourney, right? And on the bottom you will see a lot of options. For example, you can just go and click on light mode and dark mode something, right? This is a help section, and this is an update. So whenever Midjourney announce their new version, of course you will able to see that what new news is coming from Midjourney, and you can always read it. I hope I explained each and every stuff of the new Midjourney update, right? And I hope you understood this video very well, and if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.